I just stumbled across this place.
We'll go up, down, up. Oh, you didn't. I want to go up, down, up.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't worry about it.
We just stumbled across this place.
Oh wow! It has 2 parking lots underground. That's epic. Wow, what a beautiful elevator. This reminds me of that old Rhodes elevator at Metro Center in Phoenix. Holy cow. It looks exactly like it too.
It's gonna recall down because I pushed down by accident.
Wow. That's cool to have an elevator like that here. Oh, we're going down?
Yeah, yeah, because I want to get a full view going all the way up.
Okay.
It's an Otis Series
Go
2.
back up.
Unfortunately, I forgot my Otis globe in the back of the car because I don't have my Otis globe with me, so sorry to show it in the video. And you can't hear the motor because of that fan. It's a perfect view of the highway.
Oh, there's a skyline there.
Yeah, you can see Reunion Tower.
You want to get off that one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to get my indicator view now. Are you filming the glass part of it?
I'm just gonna get a cab view.
Okay.
What's the name of this place anyway?
I don't. There's a certificate. It's West Lovers Lane building, I think.
I'm gonna stop here now. That'll be it.